Namaskar. We are showing a very effective medicine against bad cough, chest pain due to cough, and in different kinds of bad cough, this will be a very good medicine. You can see the ingredients. The first one is Talisapatra, second one is pepper, third one is long pepper, arrowroot powder, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, and sugar cube powder and honey. You will have to mix the medicine according to the formula which is giving down and powder it, and take 3 gram powder, mix 3 ml honey, take 3 times per day. Consuming like this for few days will stop worst kind of cough and cough related